What's going on, Crypto Ruffians? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. So today, to everyone's relief, we see a very, very green market. As the seemingly endless crypto crash is ending, we see the market cap returning to over $400 billion, right around $450 billion. Bitcoin is back up to over 9,000 and looking stable. Everything else is recovering. Litecoin's still really low, but for the most part, we see a very green market. We see everything recovering back up, making a bullish turnaround. So hopefully we can see this market go into a bullish recovery as long as the FUD stays away. But next week we do have the Senate meeting to discuss the role of the SEC in cryptocurrency and different regulations in cryptocurrency hopefully being clarified. So stay tuned for that next week. I will be covering all the media, everything that happens this next week. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to be prepared for what's coming next week with the new regulations coming out. My hope is that we will clearly see where the regulations are and what they are and be able then to go forward knowing what to expect. I think a lot of the FUD happens when unexpected news breaks out, and I think if we have the regulations normalized and publicized, then we at least will know what to expect and the market can grow knowing what the future has for regulations. So stay tuned for that, guys. But as for right now, I'm excited to see everything heading back up in a nice wave of green. So something I want to talk about is the Litecoin ICO. This ICO has been selling out like crazy. They've just had their third successful day of the ICO. So it released on February 1st, and today, February 3rd at 11 a.m. Eastern time. They sold out in like under a minute, which was insane. So they're selling 500,000 coins a day. Right now, the first price point was at 80 cents. And for the first 3 days of the ICO, it sold out under a minute. So that's insane to me. So I was really happy to get in and get a piece of the pie and was able to purchase a lot of coins. I know some people had trouble. It actually took me a few days to get the coins because it was selling out so fast. So I love backing ICOs that are this successful, and I hope it continues to be this successful. That's why I'm letting you guys know about it. I've made a few videos in the past that I will tag in this video if you're wondering about the white paper and what Lendex is all about. But it seems to be a super successful ICO, and I'm excited to be able to flip these coins or utilize them as the price continues to rise. So let's take a look at my dashboard really quick, and we see that I was able to buy right around 2,000 coins. I'm debating on whether I can buy some more. We will see. So we see the first 3 days of the ICO here, 500,000, 500,000, 500,000, all at the 80-cent mark. Sold out, like I said, in under a minute. The next 3 days, we're looking at the price increase of 85 cents. So I'm already up 5 cents a coin as of the ICO release tomorrow. So that's really excited. So the first 3 days of the 21 days of the ICO are over, and we see 18 days left. So a lot can happen in these 18 days. The price looks to be set to go over $1, right around $1.20 at the end of the ICO. And there seems to be a lot of demand for this ICO. A lot of people are really excited, and I think it has to do with the fact that you can invest using Ethereum and Bitcoin. There's going to be a staking program to grow the coins. Obviously, there's lending. I'm really excited for the staking aspect of it. I love staking new ICO coins and watching those grow and being able to sell the coins I earn through the profit. So it's good if you're interested in staking. Be sure to get a lot of coins so you're able to get more and more coins every day. I'm hoping to see these coins max out at around $100 a coin. That would be awesome. From what they've said in announcements, that by the time their internal exchange hits, their coins should be valued at about $20 a coin. So I'm really excited for that. So to buy a cheaper price of like this 80 cents and to flip it for $20 a coin, or even wait longer, stake it longer and flip it for even more than that's awesome. And it's really cool because with their internal exchange, you can be trading your Lendex coins back and forth with Ethereum and Bitcoin to really maximize profits. So I'm really excited for the trading aspect of this coin. I'll probably lock some away and staking and start trading with the rest to try and make some awesome gains on their trading platform. It's also projected that these coins will be going to external exchanges as well, so you will be able to use them to trade against a vast number of altcoins and cryptocurrencies. So just stay tuned for that, guys. Lendex coin, it's proven to be really, really popular. Their social media has been really engaging, really informative, and they've really kept their platform in peak condition to handle these massive amounts of people getting involved. And I believe they said just in 3 days, there have been a total number of almost 30,000 visitors logging into the site. There have been a number of successful buyers, so 2,000 people from 62 different countries have already involved, and I think that number would be a lot higher if it was an open-ended ICO, but obviously all of these visitors and the over 70,000 registered members is definitely a sign that this is going to be successful. I think most of these people are trying to get in and buy the coin. A lot of it is hard with slow internet speeds. You really only have one chance to click, and I was lucky. I just kept clicking and boom, I had those coins. So really excited to announce that. They've got an awesome informative video showing you what to expect tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern time. If you haven't yet, I'll put a link down below for you to jump in and join the Lendex ICO, or just head to lendexcoin.co to get involved. Definitely an ICO that I believe is going to be worth it here in the future. All right, one last thing I want to talk about today is a new Litecoin announcement. So as many of you know, Litecoin is one of my top picks for 2018, and this is why. Back in December, I believe, Litepay was announced, and it was basically the ability to use Litecoin through a special Litecoin wallet to pay in pretty much every store you go to. And so we see cryptocurrency news, huge Litecoin announcement, game changer Litepay to launch in a matter of days. So within the next few days here, at least the next week, we will see Litepay launch. Litecoin, one of the world's leading cryptocurrencies, is poised for massive gains this week on the back of a game-changing announcement. The peer-to-peer crypto has been in the doldrums for weeks, and today was trading around $145, down from a high of more than $325 in December. However, fans of Litecoin, essentially a faster spin-off of Bitcoin, are convinced that a new payment processor called Litepay will send the price soaring. The Litecoin Foundation announced Litepay just before Christmas, but the actual launch of the product is expected this week. Litepay takes Litecoin out of the cyber realm and places it squarely in real life by allowing businesses to accept payment in Litecoin from anywhere on Earth. Transactions will be super fast and allow UK-based customers to pay for products and services in dollars with no transaction charges, which is huge. A Litecoin wallet will also be available for all major mobile and desktop browsers, and instant withdrawals from Visa compatible ATMs and spend with any Visa merchant will be possible. So this is that Visa partnership we've heard about with Litecoin. It looks like from this picture here, there may be a way to scan your phone to use it, or maybe it will have to do with some type of card or similar to PayPal in some ways. So I'm really excited for Litepay to launch hopefully in the next couple weeks, and hopefully with that we will see Litecoin soaring up. We already see it starting to trend upward. It's been kind of in a slow spiral down as no news has really come out for Litecoin, so I think this news is going to be huge, and hopefully a lot of people will start buying into Litecoin. Now is a great price with it being this cheap, because we could easily see this shoot up over $300 and even breaking and contesting the all-time highs of around $325, $400. So let's hope to see that here in the next coming weeks. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys learned something new and are excited about the Lendex coin ICO and the future of Litecoin with the Litepay features. If you haven't yet guys, and you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button, subscribing to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video if you're excited about either Lendex coin or Litecoin going up and you learned something new today, and comment a question down below that I can answer for you guys either in a future video or by commenting back to you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow in another video.